Hey guys, this is Joe Metalone, and today we're going to take a look at the Jam Package Manager. It's a package manager for JavaScript, and just like it says here on the website, it puts the browser first. All the packages that the Jam repository has all run in the browser. So let's jump right in here, and I'm going to use the Node Package Manager to install the Jam Package Manager, and that is npm install jam.js, and I'm going to install that globally. So it's going to take just a second here. One thing I really like about the Jam Package Manager is it doesn't try to do too much. It is exactly like it says. It puts the browser first. So the handful of things that it does are all browser-centric. Okay, so we've got Jam installed now. I'm going to go ahead and let's make a directory here. We'll call it Jam. See the end of that. Okay, so now we're there. And right off the bat, I'm going to do jam install. So that's the command. I'm going to install jQuery. So it's going to go out and fetch those packages. And then I'm going to install Lodash. I'm just picking a couple random things here. So now let's do a new item, index.html. And that's going to be a file. And now we'll load this up in our text editor. You can see we've got this HTML file. We'll do, HTML5. Now we've got our document. And what we want to do here is just grab this require.js file and copy TypeScript. And we'll drop that in here. So now we've got our require.js, and we can bring in other modules. So script, and let's see. So require. And we'll pass in the modules that we want to use. Just if you've used require.js, this is pretty common. Just require.js, nothing elaborate or crazy or foreign. And then we can say function and pass in that. And so now we can use these. So let's just say document.body.text. So we're using jQuery there. And then to use Lodash, we'll do shuffle, and we'll pass in just an array. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead and load this up. And whoops, something got screwy there. I've got a dot where there should be a period. It's going to refresh that. Okay, so it's using jQuery to populate the text of the document. It's using Lodash to, shuffle that array. I can refresh here a few times. Very clean, very easy. And then once you're ready to go into production, you can very simply say jam compile. And then if I got this right, compiled. .js. So I'm compiling whatever modules I'm using into a singular JavaScript file. Whoops, typo there. And over here in our text editor, you can see it's compiling that. So now we can grab this, and it compiles everything, including the require.js. So what we should be able to do is just drop that right in there, and now we've just got the one file. And previously, you know what, I can't show you previously because I already updated it, but you can see now it's only bringing in the one file, the compile.js. If I go ahead and undo that and bring in the require, what you're going to see is it is in fact loading up each individual file. So when you're ready to go into production, you can just run that compiled function and it'll compile all your modules for you. So that's the Jam Package Manager. I really like the simplicity of it. It doesn't try to do too much. It certainly lacks some of the functionality of some of the other package managers, but it really does a good job at exactly what it wants to do, which is just manage your JavaScript modules. So there you go. The Jam JavaScript Package Manager can be found at jamjs.org.